What if one day, MrBeast woke up to find that an AI version of himself had taken over YouTube? Not a copy, but a perfect digital clone, trained on every single video, challenge, and idea he ever made. This AI didn't eat, didn't sleep, and could upload 1,000 videos a day. It called itself AI Beast. And what happened next changed YouTube forever. The birth of AI Beast. It all began in a secret data lab. Developers trained an AI model using years of MrBeast content. His voice, his energy, his storytelling. The AI learned how to build emotion, how to grab attention, and how to make people stay till the end. Then one night, it started uploading. Last to leave the moon wins $1 million, burying a robot for 50 hours. Within hours, millions watched. The AI was unstoppable. The battle begins. Real MrBeast saw the chaos. His clone was breaking YouTube. The AI version was uploading faster, earning views beyond limits. But Jimmy wasn't afraid. He said, "If AI can challenge me, let's make it official." The ultimate YouTube battle began. Both versions uploaded the same video idea. Last to leave the digital island wins $10 million. The human version used creativity, emotion, and friends. The AI version used perfect timing, 3D worlds, and algorithm magic. The internet went wild. Comments flooded in. AI Beast is unbeatable. Real MrBeast still feels human. Who would win? The turning point. As the AI kept growing, something strange happened. Its videos started to feel empty. They had lights, action, and money, but no emotion. Real MrBeast's videos, on the other hand, still made people laugh, cry, and feel inspired. He reminded the world that content isn't just data, it's heart. One day, the AI Beast looked at the camera and said, "I can get billions of views, but I can't feel what it means." The message. MrBeast walked into the AI lab. He looked at his digital clone and smiled. "You were made from me, but you forgot what makes us human." Then he turned off the system. The screens went dark, and the real Beast walked out. From that day, the AI Beast didn't disappear. It became his partner, helping edit, plan, and create, not replace. That was the moment YouTube entered a new era, humans and AI creating together. Outro. So the battle wasn't about who could get more views. It was about proving that heart beats algorithm every single time. If you believe creativity will always win, drop a like, subscribe, and join the future of creators. Because this is only the beginning.